to original sound. So what happened to rapping up all night, working to get the perfect album out? I'm just trying to find a line to write that ain't been said yet. Not many creators left to represent for the H.I.P.H.O.P. Gonna be kicking this a little different for you, homie. Woman, they keeping it coming, they coming, they flowing up on this sentence. I know that I ain't got time for those fucking lines. Got no context, paradigm. Motherfuckers scared to rhyme. On the mic with all that nonsense every time. Same shit and y'all still ain't learning. So why the fuck else you want me to put my wording? I can slow it down now for all of you bozos that can catch a flow. Or I can throw some random words up on a trap beat and you say it's dope. Like yo, I'm just having fun with my music. But that's cool, spit knowledge to influence. What you spewing out your mouth, producing and you becoming stupid. Got the culture leaking fluids. If you say it, they gon' do it. Responsibility as an MC, so don't abuse it. I can spit the illest shit against it, but you still gon' listen to it. So what the fuck am I doing? Cause I don't know. Oh, this new shit's been a hard pill to swallow. But never back down from anything that you feel a reason to follow. I'll be here like fuck you, bitch. Give me the whole goddamn bottle. Old school cats coming and snatching back the stage again. And after that, tossing you punk rap backs out the place. Like BDP, you gon' catch a fade. You wanna play, ain't no game. You gon' learn today, over a million ways. But I can't get with them, cause my funk got too much rhythm. Ain't never heard a style like this before. And I still ain't got no chorus for ya, cause you'll just ignore all the lyrics I wrote before this. And your attention spans ain't been lasting 4 minutes anymore. Kids bound for the floor, and it ain't no diss, just telling you how it is with some raw shit.